and welcome to Let's Pour with Patty. Thank you so much for joining me on this wild and wacky ride as I experience the joys and share with you the wonders of creating with fluid art. Stick around. Let's have some fun. And as always, keep creating. Let's pour. We got taped up cigar box, all sanded down. I usually do swipes and blooms on the boxes, but I just want to do a quick, like those clocks I've been doing with the pearl paints. I'm going to try that kind of style. So throw some black down. Just Floetrol and paint. Pearl red, pearl green, and pearl blue. So we will put the red down first. And then the blue. Together they'll make the purple, the violet. It's called purple. And just a little bit of green. Let it take over. It seems to take over a lot. We got that going already. Good. Because, you know, it's coming. I got this one. It's awfully small. I need bigger. Let's see if this one, instead of using the big giant one, try to use the one that's a little bit smaller. Which I think that was a great choice. Okay. We can tilt most of this off. Do it over here. It's gonna be gorgeous. just like that. Just make sure I've got enough of the paint off. Is it moving anymore? You can see the colors coming in on the side here. As it stretches over the sides, it tends to expose the colors. So, this is going to be gorgeous. I'm so excited for it. Oh. Everything needs to be neon. I usually tend to do everything in neon. I'm going to do some in pearl. Okay, let's stick some music on, sit back, relax, and enjoy. flyover is not very exciting yet because there's really no color there. Use your imagination. Now this one seems to have a lot of green. The green tends to take over. Not that I'm mad at it, but loving that corner. Getting a good look at some of the colors there. Okay, and then there's these. They didn't dump off of the, I couldn't get most of the paint off. The paint didn't really move off of them, so I hope they will dry okay. We'll see. Well, these turned out beautiful. No issues whatsoever. Ah, I love those pearl paints. That blue, it almost glows when the light hits it just right. These have a more elegant feel to them. I like being able to offer, different kinds of designs for shoppers so that, not everything is neon and bright and in your face. Some are more, beautiful and elegant and just swirly and amazing, if I do say so myself. Sorry. I think these turned out wonderful. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate you. Even though I say it every week, it's true. I do. I could not do this without you. If you're new to my channel, please feel free to subscribe. It will help me grow. I'm just a very small channel. So smash that like button. Leave a comment. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, my beautiful friends, keep creating. Bye.